Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to replace a Gillette Fusion shaver cartridge. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is my Gillette Fusion razor that I use for my head and my face. And replacing the razor cartridge or the shaver cartridge is very easy. If you take a look right here, we're looking at the back of it. This is the side that has the part of the blades that you use to shave. We're turning it around, we're looking at the back of it. There's a little button right here, okay? Now when you push this button upwards towards the actual shaver portion, towards the cartridge portion, it's gonna pop it out. So what I like to do is I like to get my hands on the side here and I push this up, and my hands allow me to sort of grip the cartridge so that it doesn't like just fall on the ground. So it looks something like this, just like that, okay? Very simple. So we've removed the old shaver cartridge. Now we're gonna put in the new shaver cartridge. Now your shaver cartridges likely come in a multi-pack like this. So they're already positioned in there so that it's super easy to do. Check out this trick, and then I'll show you a different method if you don't have yours in the container like this. So you're gonna take your razor, and you're gonna look at the cartridge, and you're gonna make it make sense for how you're putting in the razor. So the part of the cartridge with the blades is like this. So I'm gonna put my razor so that the blades would be positioned in the correct size, like this, okay? Like that. And I'm gonna just push this little notch into that opening right there in the center. So check this out. I take my razor, I'm pushing the notch into the opening, just like that. We'll try one more time, just like that, and it grabbed onto it. Now it's connected. I can pull it out. There you go, just like that. So as you can see, I now have a new Gillette Fusion shaver cartridge on my razor, okay? It is nice and securely in place, not gonna come out. Now let's say you don't have it in there. Well, this is what you can do. You can, once again, you can pop off the old one, and then you just grab your new cartridge. Steer clear of the blades with your fingers, obviously. So I'm just gonna grip it over here where it's all plastic. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and push it into place just like that. That's it, it's done. And make sure it's securely in place, and you're good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.